Did you know that in Japan, many seniors in their 80s and even 90s still climb stairs without pain? While in much of the world the knees are the first to complain about age, in Japan they remain firm, stable, and silent, supporting bodies that age slowly. The secret isn't in miracle medicines or gyms, but in daily micro-movements, so subtle they seem to make no difference until you feel your body change. These movements activate deep muscles, restore circulation to the joints, and keep the knees alive, like well-oiled hinges. Today, you'll discover 4 Japanese movements that strengthen, relieve, and rejuvenate your knees in less than 2 minutes a day. But before we start, I want to get to know you. Write your name and where you're watching from in the comments. And take a moment to subscribe, because here you'll learn real Japanese longevity secrets. Movement 1. Seated flexion. The awakening of the knee few people realize that the simple act of sliding your heel while seated can completely change the condition of your knees. In Japan, this is the first exercise taught to those who want to regain mobility. It's called ashi ugoki, the movement of awakening. Sit on a sturdy chair, keep your feet flat, and slide one heel forward and back without lifting the sole. Do 10 to 15 repetitions slowly, breathing deeply. The secret is in the smoothness. The more fluid the gesture, the better the circulation inside the joint. This movement stimulates the synovial fluid, the body's natural lubrication that reduces friction and prevents that annoying crack when standing up. Many Japanese seniors start their day with this practice, even before breakfast. They say they wake up their knees before waking up their body. And the result is immediate, less stiffness, more lightness, and a gentle inner warmth, as if the knees remembered what it means to move freely. Movement 2. Heel lift, the invisible. Step if you carefully observe an elderly Japanese person walking. You'll notice their steps look light, silent, almost floating. Behind this lies a practice called ashibumi undo, the conscious step. It consists of slowly lifting the heels, then the whole foot, and lowering it again under full control. You can do it sitting in a chair or standing. Choose whichever feels safer and more comfortable. It may look small, but this micro-movement activates the stabilizing muscles of the legs, especially those that protect the knees. As you lift your heel and feel your weight shift, you stimulate circulation in your ankles and knees, which reduces internal pressure on the joint. Over time, this simple gesture improves posture, reduces pain, and teaches the body to walk naturally. The Japanese call it invisible training because no one notices you're exercising, but your body does. Do 3 sets of 30 seconds. You'll notice something interesting. Your balance improves, your feet feel stronger, and your knees lighter. That's how, at 90 years old, many Japanese still walk without fear of falling. Movement 3, mini squat. In Japan, there's an old saying, "Those who can squat can live alone." That phrase summarizes a powerful truth. The ability to sit and stand determines independence in old age. That's why the half squat, or light squat, is one of the pillars of Japanese functional training. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees slightly as if sitting in an invisible chair. Then slowly return to the starting position. Do 8 to 10 repetitions. The goal isn't to go deep, but to feel the thigh and hip muscles activating together. This gesture strengthens the glutes and the vastus medialis, the muscle that stabilizes the knee. Japanese physiotherapists even recommend this exercise for those with arthritis because it increases blood flow without impact. Regular practice improves balance, reduces pain, and restores confidence to walk, bend, and climb stairs. Over time, what once felt difficult, like getting up from a chair, becomes natural again. And that's what keeps Japanese elders independent into very advanced age. Movement 4. Gentle knee rotations, the circle of longevity. Among the most underestimated Japanese movements, there is one that looks simple, but has a profound effect on balance and mobility. Knee rotations. But to really work, the secret lies in how you perform it, with control, stability, and full body awareness. Stand with one foot slightly ahead of the other. The knee of the front leg should be gently bent, carrying most of your weight. Now imagine your knee drawing small circles in the air, as if it were spinning an invisible hula hoop. The front foot should remain stable, and your hips steady. No swaying. Do 10 circles in one direction, then 10 in the other, keeping your gaze straight ahead. Don't watch the knee. Feel the movement instead. Avoid rotating your hips or letting the foot roll side to side. The goal is to isolate the knee and strengthen the stabilizing muscles around it. It's a small movement, but a powerful one. The Japanese call it the circle of longevity because it keeps the joints young, the body stable, and the mind present. In just 1 minute a day, you retrain your body to move with awareness, the silent secret of Japanese vitality. In less than 2 minutes a day, you've just learned 4 Japanese movements that can transform your knees. No pain, no impact, and no equipment. These micro gestures awaken dormant muscles, restore circulation, and keep the joints young and well lubricated. What seems simple is, in fact, the heart of Japanese longevity, consistency in small daily actions. While the world seeks quick fixes, they trust patience. The art of repeating the same gesture every day until the body returns to natural balance. That's why, in the streets of Okinawa, you still see 90-year-olds walking peacefully, climbing steps and smiling. They don't fight time with force, but with gentleness. And now you can follow the same path, 2 minutes a day, every day. Start today. Feel the difference in a few weeks. And remember, longevity isn't just about living longer. It's about continuing to move freely. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these 4 movements will you try first?